Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to show you how I got this look, but first I'm going to show you my new perfume I got from Dossier. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys my new Dossier perfume that just came in. So whenever you get Dossier perfumes, they come in this box. And the first thing you see when you open the box is your little note card here, which tells you what the perfume is called. So this one is called the Fruity Orange, and then it tells you the notes up at the top, which is grapefruit, bergamot, tangerine, melon. The middle notes are orange, lily, green apple, magnolia, and the base notes is jasmine, musk, and plum. This perfume is inspired by Clinique. These cats are like, yes, I love it. So Cannoli loved the paper so much that she decided to put a great hole in it, so that's cool. Anyway, so it like tells you the concentration here. It has a little thank you note, and then at the bottom here it tells you how it works. So every time you order a Dossier perfume, you'll actually receive the full bottle of the perfume, but you also receive this little tester here. So what you can do is actually try out the tester and see if you even like it, and if you don't like it, you can return this and get a refund. But I guarantee you're gonna like it. I like it every time. Like, I don't even use these testers. I just straight up open my bottles because I know I'm gonna love the perfumes. I've never been disappointed, not one time, with any of my Dossier perfumes. They all smell absolutely amazing, and sometimes I feel like they smell better than the perfumes that they are supposed to smell like, or like the perfumes that they're inspired by. But anyway, so yeah, any scent you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full size 50 milliliter bottle. If you don't like the sample, just return the package with the 50 milliliter bottle and you get a full refund. Returns are free, no questions asked. So yeah, if you've never heard of Dossier before, I highly recommend trying them out, especially if you're a perfume lover like me. And you know what, I switch up perfumes all the time and I love trying out new scents. However, the one that I got for this month is not a new scent to me. I actually got this one because I used to wear this perfume all the time, but to be honest, I'm not about to go to the store and pay full price for the actual brand when I know Dossier is just as good. So this is inspired by the Clinique Happy, which I used to wear years ago. I don't know how many years ago, but a long time ago. It used to be one of my favorite perfumes. And so I got this from Dossier, and it literally smells identical to the Clinique Happy. It is so good, and it's addictive. So yeah, anyway, this is my Dossier perfume of the month. I cannot wait to wear it today. I'm gonna put it on after I finish getting done, because I always do my perfume last after I do everything else. But anyways, I will have Dossier linked down below. I can't believe Cannoli broke my paper like that, but it's all good. Anyways, if you love Clinique Happy, this one is outstanding. It's the Fruity Orange and it smells so good. Absolutely love it. Alright, before I start doing my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair out of my face. I'm pulling it up with a scrunchie, then I'm going to secure it in place with this gorgeous hair clip one of my followers sent me. And then I'm just going to use this little headband to push back all those little hairs in the front so that I don't get any makeup in them. So before I do anything else, I'm going to start out by using this red light therapy wand from Solar Wave, which I got complimentary to try out. I've been using it for about a month now and I really enjoy it. It's supposed to have multiple benefits and I hope it works, and hopefully I'll see some results soon. But you only use it for 5 minutes a day. You use it along with their serum that has aloe and hyaluronic acid in it. It heats up, so it's warm on your skin, it vibrates, so it's like a really soothing therapeutic massage, and I'm just totally obsessed with it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first before I do anything else. So next I'm going to go in with some extra skincare. So I'm going to apply my Clarins Total Eye Lift Eye Cream. Then I'm going to go in with my Clarins Double Serum, but I'm also going to add a couple drops of this Aurora Superfood from Earth Harbor, which I got in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I'm just going to mix those together and apply it to my skin. And then I'm going to finish off with my Clarins Extra Firming Cream. Now that I'm done with my skincare, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. It has SPF in it, and I'm using the color Sand Beige W5, and I'm just applying it with my fingers. Before I got into using brushes to apply foundation and concealer and like beauty blenders and all that, I always just used my fingers, and I always loved applying makeup that way. So every once in a while, I go back to that. So after applying it with my fingers, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it with this big brush, and then I'm going to go in with some contour color. I'm sure you can tell that my tan has faded. I haven't had a chance to reapply my tanner, and I really need to do that soon because I'm missing having that tan skin. But I'm going to go ahead and take some of this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I forget the color. It's like Beautiful Bronze or something, but I'm just adding that in some places on my face just to add some extra color. And now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I'm actually running out of, and I need to repurchase because I really like this stuff. Now I'm taking some of this cream blush and just adding it to my cheeks and my nose and a little on my forehead because I'm going for that. I just laid out at the pool and got a little bit of sun, a little sunburn on my skin kind of look. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with my Brow To Go palette from Gerard Cosmetics. Then I'm going in with some of this bronzer just to add some extra color, as if I didn't have enough color from earlier, but it's all good. So I got this palette from one of my BoxyCharm boxes, I think, and the brand is Ace Beauty. So now I'm going to put on some eyeshadow. I'm using the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. This is one of my favoriteest palettes, but I don't think they sell this exact one anymore. I went in Ulta the other day and looked for it because, as you can see, I'm hitting pan on a lot of those colors, and I wanted to repurchase, but I didn't see that palette. But I think they have like a newer, updated version. I don't know. If you guys have seen this particular one though, let me know because I would love to rebuy it because I love the eyeshadows that it comes with. They are perfect for every day, or even if you want to glam up. It's just like the best combination of colors. So now I'm going in with my L'Oreal eyelash primer. I'm going to apply that to my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm going to go in with my Lash Lift mascara and apply that to my top and bottom lashes as well. Then I'm going to add some extra blush, and then I'm going to blend this all out using my e.l.f. color correcting powder. So now I am officially done with this makeup look, and I'm just going to finish it off with a little lip color. Okay, so now that I'm done with my makeup, I need to do something with this hair. But to be honest with you, I really don't feel like doing much with my hair because I know I'm going to end up putting it in a bun with everything that I have to do today. So it's almost kind of pointless. But what I am going to do is just brush through it really quick. I actually showered last night and washed my hair. I blow dried it a little bit, but I let it air dry the rest of the way. But the only thing I am gonna do is take my teasing comb and tease a little bit because I hate my hair being flat to my head. I'm just gonna walk out the door like this. Kidding. So I'm gonna just take my fingers and just kind of mess it up a little bit up in her, and even though that didn't make the biggest difference, it made a little bit of difference. I feel like it ain't so flat to my head now. And yeah, okay, so I'm done with the makeup, done with the hair. I do have pajama pants on right now, so I need to switch into some pants, which I think I'm going to show you the bottoms I'm going to be wearing. But before I do that, girl, where'd you go? Oh, it's time to put my perfume on. So I'm actually gonna put my perfume on before I put my jewelry on because I don't like putting perfume on my jewelry. So yeah, today I am using the perfume I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. For the past 2 weeks, it's been raining here in Texas. It's been gloomy, there's been no sun. It's just nonstop rain. It's actually put me in like a little bit of a depression, like because I mean, I like rainy days, lazy days, but constant rain and gloom, that doesn't work for me. So this perfume is actually giving me all the good feels today because it is happy. It's so uplifting, fruity, bright, sunny. Just reminds me of like a beautiful, happy, sunny day. So yeah, this was the Dossier Fruity Orange. If you love the Clinique Happy, you would love this one because it literally smells identical. I mean, it smells amazing. It's so refreshing, so clean. Who's texting me? Refreshing, clean, uplifting. Yeah, so like I said, it's got the grapefruit, bergamot, tangerine, melon, orange, lily, green apple, magnolia, jasmine, musk, plum. It's just the perfect combination of a beautiful perfume. So yeah, I'm gonna have Dossier linked down below. I've told you about them before. I absolutely love their perfumes. They're outstanding, they're beautiful, and I'm a fan for life. So I was gonna put my hoop earrings in, but I don't know where they went. It's almost as if they walked off. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this cross necklace on. Alan got me this our first Christmas. So our first year of marriage, our first Christmas, he got me this diamond cross necklace. I'm popular today. It's actually just my sisters on a group text. Yeah. So here is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I look like a model. I'm kidding. Okay, so I have on just some black Victoria's Secret yoga pants that has the little blue band up here, but it's gonna be hidden by my black shirt. I'm not looking forward to this. This is actually what I got ready to go do. This is a piece of lint roller. Don't pay attention to that. Anyway, I have to go do laundry, and I was actually gonna go to my mom's. People ask me all the time, why don't you do laundry in your videos? Because I don't have a washer and dryer. And I usually go to my mom's to do all this, but I'm just gonna go to the washateria today because I have so much. This is like only a little bit of it. I have another bag. But I have like my clothes, my towels, Alan's work clothes, and then we have Alan's clothes. So it's a lot I'm gonna have to do today. And I'm not looking forward to it, but gotta do what I gotta do. So yeah. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be spending the next couple hours of my life doing, is sitting at the washateria doing laundry. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just figured it's been a while since I did like a get ready with me. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos, because I don't mind doing them for y'all. I like little get ready with me's. I actually sometimes like to put on other people's get ready with me's while I get ready. Even though I don't follow along with them, I like to just think that they're sitting there doing their makeup with me. Like I have a friend sitting there doing their makeup. So yeah, let me know if you like these kind of videos. I know it wasn't much and the look isn't like, wow, amazing. But it's whatever, it's realistic. This is my get ready with me to go to the washateria, so whatever. Anyways, leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you liked it. I need to find my earrings. I just looked at my ear in the viewfinder and I was like, girl, gotta have my hoops on. Always gotta have my hoops on no matter what I'm doing, where I'm going, what I look like. Hoops are always a must, and I need to find them. They're hiding from me. But yeah, okay. I'll see y'all next time. If you have any questions, by the way, about any products that I used, if I fail to mention it in my great voiceover, you can always just ask me and I will let you know in the comments. Okay, I'll see y'all next time. Bye!